Hey guys, this is lesson 2.2 in your Go Math book. We are going straight to page 82 because page 81 uses the interactive portion of the math book and I don't have all the information that I need. So we're going to look at our learning objectives. We're exploring 3-digit numbers. You will write a 3-digit number that is represented by a group of tens. How do you write a 3-digit number for a group of tens? So this is something new that we typically haven't done before. We're not used to having a group of tens left over that isn't grouped in with 100, okay? We're used to having groups of ones left over. It's very, very similar, okay? What number is shown with 11 tens? Well, 11 tens is 100 and 1 10 left over. And the number is 110. A lot of people get confused and want to put 111 because there are 11 tens. But we have to take into consideration that we are grouping 10 tens to make that 100. Okay, do not let yourself get confused and just put this down here. All right, let's start with number 1. It says circle tens to make 100. Write the number in different ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here are 10 groups of 10. So we have 10 and then 11, 12. So how many tens do we have altogether? We have 12 tens. How many hundreds do we have? Well, we have 100 because 10 tens make 100. We have 100, and how many tens are left over that we can't group in with 100? 2 tens, okay? 2 tens is the same as what? 20. So we have 120. Okay, and all you have to do is take this number and add a 0. Okay, that's all you have to do. This number and add a 0. All right. Tens, how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go ahead and group those since I stopped there. 11, 12, 13. 13 tens. How many hundreds do I have? What did I circle? Just one. And how many are outside? How many tens are left over outside of the 100? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. So I have 100, 110, 120, 130. 130. Moving on to number 3. We need to figure out how many tens, hundreds, and tens, and what's the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we circle. 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 tens. 100. 4 tens. So our number is 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. 140. Okay, you can pause this if you need time to fill these in or circle. If I went too fast. And we'll turn it over to page 83. Number 4 says circle tens to make 100. Write the number in different ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 tens, 100, 5 tens, 150. So if you see this pattern, you have 15, you split up the 1 and the 5, 1 and 5, and then you add a 0 here, okay? I want you to pause this video and do number 5 on your own. Okay, let's check and see if your number 5 matches mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 tens. That's 108 tens left over for 180. Number 6, Saul has 130 baseball cards. How many baseball cards does he need to get so that he will have 200 baseball cards in all? Okay. So he has 100. We're going to call this 130. So he has 100 and he has 30. How many more will he need to have another group of 10 tens? Okay, I'm going to use a different color. That way you guys can see the distinction. So he has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now he has 200. But how many did we add? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We added 70 baseball cards in order for him to have 200 in all. Kendra has 120 stickers. 10 stickers fill a page. How many pages can she fill? Okay, she has 120 stickers. 10 stickers fill a page. So 1 page, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That makes up 100. So that's 10 pages. We have 100. How many more do we need to get to 120? 2 more rounds of 10 stickers, which is 2 more pages. So she can fill 10, 11, 12 pages. Moving on, this last page before you guys are doing the practice and the homework on your own. There are 16 boxes of crackers. There are 10 crackers in each box. How many crackers are in the boxes? Okay, 16 boxes of 10. So we have 10. We have 16 tens. Is what we have, okay? Because we have 16 boxes and each box has 10 crackers in it. So we need to draw 16 tens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go ahead and group that to make it easier. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many crackers are in the boxes? So we want to know how many we have all together. We have 100. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Did I draw too many? 13, 14, 15, 16. No, I didn't. 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, I miscounted the first time. Perfect. 160 crackers. That's why it's important to go back and double check your work. Simon makes 8 towers of 10 blocks each. So we have 8 tens. Ron makes 9 towers of 10 blocks each. How many blocks did they use altogether? So let's add his 8 towers of 10, 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then his 9 towers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is a lot. So we need to make a 100. We need to see if we have 10 tens, which I think we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 100. And then we have 7 tens left over. And what is 7 tens the same as? 70. So we have 170. Down here, we're talking about Ed, who has 150 marbles. How many bags of 10 marbles does he need so that he will have 200 marbles in all? You can almost do this one in your brain because it deals with 50, and 50 is half of 100. So he has 150 marbles, okay? So let's go ahead and make 150. We need to figure out how many he needs to get to 200. So he has 5 tens, which is 50. How many more does he need to get to another 100? He needs 5 more. So he needs 5 more bags of 10 marbles because then he will have 200s, which is 200. Okay. Page 85, your practice and homework, and page 86, you will do by yourself for practice. If you have any questions, please message me or call me on Microsoft Teams.